we got a 2016 Nissan Altima. It's got no throttle. That's max throttle. I got her pegged. It's a bad throttle body. We're gonna put one in. All right, there's your part number. I'll put this in the description below. Just click the link. I'll run the codes at the end of this video, so watch till the end, and I'll show you the codes that are popping up on this, and then I'll delete them so that this will run right. There's the new girl right there. Okay, let's get some stuff out of our way. 10 millimeter. And it makes a great little cup holder for our bolts. Bolt holder, whatever you want to call it. Cup. There's that guy. Air filter cover. And we're gonna undo this plug. Oh, there we go. And you got these little tabs in them, and you gotta squeeze them together and then pull them out like that. You got this one too. This one's gonna be kind of a nuisance. I'm gonna need both hands to do this guy. Just gonna push down one side, pull it out, push up the other side. I'm gonna take this one off here. It really only gotta go to the bottom one down there and get it out of the way. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one off and get it out of my way first. 8 millimeter or a flat screwdriver. Just pop this out of the way. Ooh, this whole thing wants to come out. Check that out. Ooh, let's go ahead and take you out. I don't care how you go, as long as you go. Alright. That. Yeah, man, look at that hole. Alright, 8 millimeter into the back, huh? Yes. There we go, that leg up. Yeah, we're gonna get down and back. Both hands. Got that out of the way. You can get to it all. 8 millimeter there. I am just gonna go ahead and get this out of my way though. Oh man, it popped right out the other side. Oh, the hose clamp is already done on that side. That's nice. Alright, get this out of my way. Like so. Alright. Now we got this electronic piece here. Squeeze this button on the back, right there. Squeezes, pulls right out. We got this guy here. Get him pulled up and out. Oh, there we go. Then we got 4 8 millimeters. We're gonna pop them all out. Oh, wait a minute. We got another coolant hose right here. We'll pop him off this side and then we'll get him off there later. It may drain some coolant, but shouldn't be a huge amount. We'll just have to top it off with the blue coolant later. Just step back and forth. Give her a pull. Boom. All right. It didn't really drain anything. That's awesome. All right. 8 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. go. Take this guy over here. I'm gonna put this hose on this guy here. Boom. Alright, pair of pliers, put that hose on that one right there. Got that guy on there. I'm gonna come over here. Still got our gasket in there. I don't think it has a replacement seal. You can put a new seal on yourself if you want. For some reason my parts department didn't bring me one, so this is what I got. Boss says don't worry about it. We reuse them all the time, so we're not gonna worry about it. I mean, he's done work for Nissan for 30 years as lead tech, so I'm gonna believe him. Alright, let's get you set up, get a bolt in you, get you started. We don't want to use that drill to tighten these down. We want to use a ratchet because these will snap easy with an impact. Okay, ratchet, tighten it up. Cross pattern. Snug it. Snug it. Snug it. Snug it, and then go back. Give it a little extra turn, nice and tight. Like that. This guy out of there. This hose hooks back up to here. And this one hooks back up over here. And pliers, squeeze them down. There and there. And then we got this plug. Then we start putting the shit back on it. Like this, and we tighten it down. There's a 10mm bolt there that should have been taken out. Somebody must have been in this before and it was loose to get that air box out. I'll show you putting that back in. All right, that, where my hose at? There, and there. Put it on. There we go. I'm gonna get this box undone from here. It just unsnaps from there. So it's gonna go in like this. See this bolt right here is supposed to hold that in place. Somebody had been in it already on me. Oh, all right, pop this centerpiece out of here. The centerpiece out, it's squishy, you know, you can get it in there. You get it into place, and then you put this centerpiece back in it. Then you just line everything up where it goes. And it all stabs in where it goes, and then bolts down there like so. No big deal, right? Tighten that down. And filter in place. And these guys should just slide right back into that and click into place. I had to give it hell. I had to really push on it to make it click into place. Now it's in place. Get it fast and get it fast, and all clicked into place. Hose into place, 8mm. Tighten it down. Nope. And there's a wiring harness. Oh, there it is. Stab that back into there. Stab this back into here. Plug it in. All right. This should be enough to start now. So we're gonna do the computer in. Key on. Turn the four-way flashers on so it doesn't automatically turn off. C plus, consult 3 plus. Offline menu. Diagnose all systems when it pops up. Come on, there it are. Let it do its thing. After it's done reading VIN, it'll pop up the car. There it is, confirm. And now it'll take a minute to read that. To use this computer, you should be able to use any code reader to delete the codes. Do this for quite some time. And there we go. There we go. There's our codes. Alright, let's erase them. Execute. See what happens. That's not going to do anything. Alright, we're going to start it, warm it up, and then we're going to do idle relearn. Relearn, you may need a more technical computer. It looks like we got a bad wiring harness. Yeah, it looks like we got a bad wiring harness on this one, guys. That's all we're getting. That is not good. Well, at least you guys know how to do a throttle body now. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We'd already changed the foot pedal, and then we changed the throttle body. It's got to be the wiring harness. Peace.